everyone, Tina here. I hope your day's going fantastic. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to make a wintry card where our greeting is going to be our focal point too. We're going to do this in 5 easy steps, and we're using some items from Simon Says Stamp. This here is the Label Slides Christmas. All of these greetings are wonderful on their own, but they are meant to go in the label slides. I just love the labels. I thought that would be super fun to create a wintry card with a greeting that says "Let it snow." This is what they look like. So we're going to jump in, get started. Today's card is actually going to come together really quickly because we are combining our focal point and our greeting kind of at the same time. So it just makes it a breeze today. Starting off with step 1, we're going to do a little bit of die cutting, and we're going to die cut some snowflakes out. Since we are making a wintry card, we need to bring in some snowflakes. So this is the Aidan snowflake. It's a super pretty snowflake. Let me show you what it looks like. Probably one of my favorites because it does have the rounded edges. There's no sharp edges. Just love that. I'm going to cut out 3 of these, and I will be right back. So those are my snowflakes. Aren't they so pretty? Just gorgeous. Now I do want to mention that the center of the snowflake does die cut out. I popped it back in and then put a foam square behind it to help secure it in. It does 2 things. Helps secure it in, of course, and then it also gives me dimension. So I did that to all of them. Put a small foam square behind here. So that's going to be part of my focal point. We'll put this to the side. Now we're going to work on step 2, which is creating our home panel. My home panel, we're just going to bring in a double stitched square die. These are from Simon, and they're called stitched squares. I'm going to take, I think, we'll take the second from the largest, and I'll die cut out just some white cardstock with this. So we have a nice stitched home panel that we're going to doctor up with step number 3, which is our sentiment slash. Our sentiment's going to be our focal point too. Part of our focal point. Okay, so let's bring in our stamp set and our die set. This is again the Label Slides and the Label Slides Christmas. And we're going to use the smaller, we're going to use the smaller one here. And then I'm going to die cut out 3 of these. What the nice thing is, you can put anything in here. You can put twine in here. You could put ribbon, which would be nice in here. Even a thicker ribbon and have it gathered would be really nice. Or buckled. I forget the word for that is when ribbon's squinched. But that'll look really pretty in there too. We are going to use paper, and paper looks just as fabulous. Since we are making a wintry card, Let It Snow is going to fit in here beautifully. So I'm treating each of my labels with my anti-static powder tool, and we are going to do some heat embossing with white embossing powder. So I'm going to ink up my Let It Snow, and I will stamp in each one of these. And then I better bring in my tweezers. I want to go over. I'm just going to dip it in here. Wonderful. And then I'm going to do this to each one of them, and then I will melt it. Okay, so we have 3 labels, and each of them say "Let It Snow." I thought a card that says "Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow" kind of reminds me of that little song. So I did it 3 times. Now what we're going to do is take our Stampin' Stencil mat, and we are going to do a little ink blending on each one of these. And I thought we'd do some bright and cheery colors. We're going to use Ocean, Guava, and Honey. Starting off with Honey. I'm going to use my blending brush here, and we're just going to add a little bit of color. I like having a gradient, some light areas, some dark areas. We will add a little pink here. I'm going to scoot it up here because I don't want my yellow going in here. And then our last color, we're going to add some ocean. I'm going to flip this around here. There we go. Okay, and that is all there is to those. So now we have all three labels. What I'm going to do next is take my towel. I'm going to add a little bit of alcohol to it. You could use water if you want, but I think alcohol really takes away the ink from the embossed area. Okay, now I mentioned paper. So what I'm going to do is trim down some thin strips of colored cardstock in the coordinating colors. I trimmed down 2 yellow, 2 pink, and 2 blue. These are all 1/4 inch strips. Okay, what I'm going to do is take one strip, I'm going to thread it through here and then fold it at an angle, like so. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other end. Fold it, just like that. Wonderful. I'm going to do that to all of these. We'll flip these over. I'm going to put 2 foam squares behind each of these. Okay, and then with the home panel, what I'm going to do is flip it over and I'm going to add some adhesive to the left and the right. I'm going to use my tape runner. We'll add a generous amount. Okay, and then we're going to remove the release paper off of these. I'm actually going to use my release paper. Okay, I'm going to take my Let It Snow, again, and there's foam tape behind here. I'm going to layer it at the top. I will tack this down. And then I'm going to take the paper ribbon and just flip it over. And I'll do the same thing over here, just wrap it around the back. I think that looks so neat. Okay, next color we'll do yellow. Actually, I'm going to put blue on the bottom, so we will just line it up here. That's what the back looks like. That's what the front looks like. I think it looks so neat. Okay, I'm going to bring in some foam tape and I'm going to put it behind here. So we'll put these with the snowflakes, and then now we're going to work on step number 4, which is our background. Background, we're really going to go super simple. I'm just going to bring in some Simon Says Stamp Sea Glass cardstock, and I'm going to add this to the front of my A2 card base, and that's all I'm going to do for my background. Now let's go ahead and take our snowflakes, and we are going to layer them just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to remove the release paper off of our home panel, and this is going to go on our card base. Now I popped up my snowflakes, and I'm going to change my mind on this. I'm actually going to remove the foam tape, and I'm going to adhere this down directly on my background. I think the foam tape is just kind of throwing off the design a little bit. So we're just going to add some glue directly behind the snowflakes. I'm thinking it looks a lot better when the snowflakes are flush on the background. So I'm going to go ahead and trim away any overhanging snowflakes. But I think I'm going to fill in my entire background with snowflakes. I think it's just going to be a little bit more nicer. So we are going to add glue and fill in our background with more snowflakes. I just cut out 3 more snowflakes, and we'll fill the entire background. Okay, I just trimmed off anything that was overhanging, and I'm happier with the way this turned out. Okay, let's move along to step number 5, which means it's time to embellish. I'm going to bring in some of my Simon Says Stamp Starbright sequins. These are all the same size, and they have an iridescent tint to them. I think that's just what my background's gonna need. So I'm just gonna add some sparkle to the snowflakes. And that will finish off my card project for today. A lot of sequins on all of the snowflakes, but it's subtle. Subtle sparkle's always nice. Super pretty. And I love the way the label slides look with paper. I just think it looks just like ribbon. But that's my project for today. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for sticking with me to the end. I have 2 more videos that you guys might be interested here. If you guys are new and like the content that you see, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way for future videos, be notified. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It sure does help the channel. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.